Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to know if your Android phone has a virus. Let's start the video. The first thing we'll do is open the Play Store app and search for Avast Antivirus. This is the application that we will use to check whether or not our Android has a virus. Since I already have it installed, I'll just open it. Click on Get Started. Here you will see some explanations about how this application works. I will skip these steps because there is a lot of information, but to check your device for viruses, it is extremely fast. Skip those steps where it shows the available plans. You don't necessarily need to subscribe to a paid plan. Once you officially launch the application, click on the green button that says Scan Now. Click OK and enable permission for the application to access your files and see if there is anything harmful. Now comes the time when the application will do a complete scan on your cell phone to check if there is anything harmful. This can take a few minutes. It is important to be patient so that the application can scan all your files as efficiently as possible. See that he found some irregularities or problems in the security of the device, but he did not indicate that there is a virus on my device, so I can rest assured. If it finds a virus on your device, it will ask for permission to remove it immediately. The video ends here. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.